face again. You're like,
my face.
I remember the one with Austin. You were like,
oh, you mean that one in the other video when I was like, you're the smallest?
how much do you have left? Oh my god.
Me too. Wow.
Kristen.
Listen, I can't.
Here, you go.
I can only drink so much at a time. It burns.
Stop looking at me.
This thing had motherfucking handle. Boo.
Better than yours.
You see my hair? Ooh.
What the fuck is this? Calm yourself. The fuck, bro? The fuck?
They're small, bro.
Bro.
I almost peed myself.
Don't cry, Courtney. Don't cry.
Ew.
Why would you choke so hard? I meant so bad. I don't even remember what I said. No, God. The fuck, bro?
I tried so hard to hold all that soda in. Do you hear those now? Those
You're like-
giggles.
And I was like, hello.
That was my nose.
Did it come out through your nose?
No.
What's kicking, chicken? You're supposed to be like, ain't shit. You?
Get out of here.
Don't choke, swallow.
There we go.
Damn. Oh god. What the hell are you doing? It's like a burpee.
I'm crying.
Bitch.
Yeah.
Looks like you've been crying a little bit.
Oh my god. watch this.